how to set up international shipping on Shopify. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the easy steps to create international shipping on your Shopify account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, on the bottom hit on settings. Then guys, I will give you the easy method to add any and create any zone on your Shopify store. Then guys, scroll down, then hit on shipping and delivery section. Then guys, go and hit on general. Then guys, you need to create a zone. For example, hit on create zone. Then guys, the zone name for example is international. Then guys, the search bar, tap which country and which zone that you want to add it to your Shopify account. For example, United States, then hit on United States, United Kingdom, and also United Arab Emirates. For example, Canada and Spain, any zone that you want, then hit on done. Then guys, you need to add a rate. There is no rate. Customers in this zone don't be able to complete checkout. Then you need to add a rate. Then add rate. Then guys, customer rate name, for example, normal shipping. Then guys, custom delivery description, it's optional, but you need to select tracking number provided. Then if you want to make it a free shipping, or you can for example use $10 or $5. Then guys, add conditional pricing if you want to use the minimum weight or maximum weight. Then guys, hit on done. Then guys, this is the only method to add and set up international shipping on your Shopify. Then if you want to add a new zone, then hit and create a new zone with another countries, for example African countries or South African countries, or any zone that you want. As you see guys, this is the easy method. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.